Hey everybody, just filming the situation. There's no police around. Quality first towing.
Hello. Why are you recording? So ladies, why are you recording me? What the fuck is your problem? We can all record.
Just don't touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you. You harassing me. You walk up to me, record. I'm doing my fucking job.
I'm not harassing you.
Get the fuck out of here. What is your problem?
If you have an issue, call the police.
You call the police then.
You're the one who's claiming stuff, not me.
Why you walking to me with your recording out?
Don't touch me, sir.
Huh? I'm not touching you. I'm
me.
doing the same shit you doing.
But I never approached you like this.
And you following me. I'm telling you right now, if you get too close to me,
You're
it's
the one
gonna
who
be a problem.
You're the one who approached me close.
You walked up to me.
No,
you walked up to me. You
no,
walked
I
up
did
to
not.
me. Yeah.
You left your car,
you
sir.
fucking people are always doing stupid shit. Get out of here. Get the fuck out of here. And you still following me, right? You still following me, right? Go about your business, I'm telling you. Mind the business that pays you. Go ahead. Go with yourself. But you still follow me. Still follow me, right? I'm gonna give you what your ass is asking for. I'm telling you right now.
Now you're approaching me.
Yeah, hell yeah, I'm recording you. I'm doing the same thing you doing. You don't have nothing better to do. Nothing. Nothing. We can stay here all night and record. I got a full battery. You might as well call the police now. Dial 911. You still following me, right? Between 44 and 48 Pennsylvania. Yep.
I just want to stay away from you.
I'm a tow truck driver. I'm actually waiting for a customer to come out. And I got this lady approach my car with a video camera. I get out the truck. She's recording me. I walk away. She's following me. I don't know what the hell her problem is. Yes, it's right in front of us.
Hello.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
No, all good.
The police are coming, so you can sit there and record all the fuck you want, okay?
Y'all good?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I don't know why she's recording me.
What happened?
She just walked out. I was waiting. I came here earlier to get this car. Couldn't get into Neptune. That BMW. No, they called for the breakdown. And I can't get in this. So the customer had to do it. Keys are in there. They said it goes into neutral. I have to wait for the customer. This lady comes across the street. Just recorded me. I don't know you. I asked her what's the problem. Why are you recording?
I'm just exercising my First Amendment right.
Oh, yeah, we all have the First Amendment right.
We all have.
Yeah.
I get that. Out of curiosity, can I just ask what your concern is, though? I'm so sorry. I'm just curious.
I'd rather not say.
That's okay.
Okay.
No, I was just curious what your concern would be here. All right. You said cops are on their way?
The police won't do nothing about it.
No, I know. I was just like, he's calling someone's car that's broken down. It makes sense.
Yeah.
Do you want to hang out?
It's just my concern that he jumped out and started
Recording the same thing you did.
No, you
I got it on
approached
video,
me.
just like you
Me
did.
too. You started.
So play the video.
He jumped out of his car. It's not he
This is why I called the police.
and he wasn't just videoing. He was approaching me like this. That's my concerns. I have it on camera.
But you approaching me.
No, it did
You
not.
stand right here.
No, I stayed on the
Stand beside my
sidewalk.
truck.
I never
Stand right in front of me.
tried to get into your vehicle,
I never
sir.
said that. I recorded.
I do.
Recorded.
That's my concern.
As long as everyone's okay.
You're making a concern yourself. All you had to do
No.
is keep moving. What are you standing here pointing a flashlight in my fucking eyes for?
It's not a flashlight,
It's
sir.
a flashlight in my fucking eyes.
It's not a flashlight.
Like,
I mean,
you're
it
fucking
is kind
dumb.
of a flashlight on, though.
Fucking
No.
stupid, yo.
Flashlight. It's not a flashlight.
Yeah, whatever,
It shows
yo.
the same way as a flashlight, though. I understand it's a camera with your videoing with this phone on.
Like, the cops are not going to do
They're
anything.
gonna do something.
They're not.
They're gonna do something. They're gonna get you the fuck out of here.
They can't do nothing about it.
Okay, y'all are good.
Yeah,
Good night,
you
guys.
too. They can't do nothing about it. Actually, the cops know me, so I'm gonna say hi to them
Go say hi to them. Okay. Yeah.
because they can't do nothing about it.
I don't care. Fucking find the light somewhere else.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, what's up? What's going on? How you doing?
Good.
Just, I got my camera on, right?
Yes, I know that.
Recording, all right?
Yeah,
Doing all right?
yeah.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay. So
I'm
what's
just
up?
trying to do my job. You should walk into the truck, shine the light right in my face.
I stayed it
What are you
on the
recording?
sidewalk.
Ask me straight up. What are you recording? I'm exercising my right. All right, turn your light on.
So,
I'm in the truck. You're flashing light.
are you parked around here, or are you walking around?
I'm not saying, you know how this goes.
I'm just asking.
No.
I just see you here.
Hey, how you
The
doing?
camera's on, right?
Oh, I know all that.
I just didn't know. I didn't know where you came from, so I was making sure that everything's
No, I'm
all right.
fine.
Okay. So what'd you roll up on today?
What?
What'd you roll up on today? What brought you over here?
I'm not saying I don't answer questions. You can know that.
I just thought I'd ask. Just trying to make some small time.
I know that.
Let me call before she calls.
You got a new cam holder?
New
New
no.
phone, new cam. You got the phone holder too?
Yeah.
Tripod?
Well, I had that.
You had
I
that?
had that. Yeah.
You've had that?
Yeah. For
I'm just trying to see it. That's nice.
yeah.
Okay. Good for you.
Yeah. He got his vehicle and he tried to approach me, and I kept backing up,
Okay.
and I didn't really get into a verbal altercation with him. I have everything on film, so it's not like
Have a good night.
you too, buddy. Told you it was like a waste of time,
Well, we got called out here, so that's
Oh,
why
I
we're
know
coming
that.
to see that. All right.
and I told him the police are not gonna do anything.
No, I'm calling to protect myself. That's what I'm doing.
So yeah, he has his right. He can call us if he wants to. But,
Oh, I know that, but-
well, I recommend if he's doing his job, maybe just stay a little bit back. Because you don't want to get in his way. You don't want to impede him doing his
Well,
job.
I never did that.
I don't. When I came over, you were over there, so that's why I'm saying that now.
No, I was on the sidewalk at all times.
Okay. All right.
He's the one who approached me out here.
Okay. He approached you out here.
Yeah.
Okay.
He got his vehicle, and he was like going like
I did the
this.
same thing you did. So
No.
It's all right. It's all right.
I got it on
It's all right.
record.
It's all right. All right. Yeah, I appreciate you. I appreciate letting me know what's going on.
Yeah,
just wanna make sure
I
everything's all
never
right.
got it. I
And,
never got into his face. I actually stayed on the sidewalk.
So yeah, Jen, we're just documenting this. Obviously, you're allowed to record and everything.
Yeah.
But again, just be mindful of him when he's doing his job.
Oh
you know,
yeah.
This way.
You know that.
Because you know what it is, some people don't know who you are or why you're recording them, so it comes off a little odd, because they're like, "Who's this person recording me now? Am I doing something wrong?" Well, he's just trying to do his job. So.
Oh, I know that.
I'm just letting you know. Just letting you know. 'Cause, I've known you for quite some time.
Hey Morgan, what's up? This is Officer Edwards. Just let you know. And that's like Nick Morgan. He's a nice cop for the most part.
I'm a nice tow truck driver too.
I don't know about that. I disagree with that. No, really, what really caught me was he's been like parking out here like for the last 10 minutes. That's what caught my attention.
Okay.
Not a problem.
That's it.
I got you.
No cops around, no cars. Like
Take it away.
usually you can't park out like this.
Yeah, you can't park in the middle of a highway. I get
Correct.
that.
I'm not even dealing with it.
Well,
I'm not
so
doing it.
Jen, if you do see something like this
Thank
and
you,
you're just
brother.
sitting out here,
You as
just
well.
give us a call.
Okay.
And then we'll
Good
come and
night.
check it out too. Thanks, bro. Have a good one. Anything else for me?
No,
Anything, Jen?
it was like a waste of your time.
That's okay. Alright. Yeah, good.
So, yep,
See you, Jen.
yep. You too. Be safe. cops are right there. I'm kind of like... I'm not getting this way. I'm like standing right... So 3 police officers rolled up for this because of a tow truck driver calling the police. Let's see how long are they gonna wait now. So this is the so now they're leaving. Neptune City, please have a nice night.